แล้วก็คงจะไม่กลัวละที่จะพูดว่า buy sell หรือว่าแอปแดงหรืออะไรอย่างนี้นะฮะก็จะบอก YouTube เลยเพราะว่าจริงๆแล้วก็ไม่ สวัสดีครับสวัสดีเลยคนที่เข้ามาด้วยนะฮะมาเดี๋ยวลองไลฟ์เทรดเลยดีกว่าป๊าบเนี่ยผมมองนะฮะวันนี้นะสิ่งที่ผมมองเลยคือน่าจะดีดขึ้นนะฮะวันนี้บอกตรงๆเลยว่าถ้าเกิดว่าใครจะเล่นวันนี้นะโอ้โหไซด์เวย์จัดเล่นเอาไงดีเนี่ยเดี๋ยวนะโอเคโอเคมาเล่นยังไงดีวันนี้เรามาดูกันสักหน่อยสักหน่อยสักนิดสิเราจะเล่นยังไงดีโอ้ถ้าเกิดว่าเป็นก่อนหน้านี้นี่ผมจะเล่นเซลล์นะแต่ว่ามาดูตอนนี้แล้วคือให้เล่นไงให้เล่นยังไงในเมื่อมันแบบไซด์เวย์ขนาดนี้ทั้งวันโอ้โหอืมอ่าอาจจะต้องเล่นเป็นอันนี้แล้วนะอาจจะต้องเล่นเป็นเฟสเดี๋ยวรอดูเดี๋ยวรอดูเอาไงดีเอาไงดีใครอ่าใครที่เข้ามาแล้วฝากกดไลค์กดแชร์ด้วยนะฮะแล้วก็ถ้าเกิดว่าใครที่อยากจะไปดูคลาสสามารถเข้าไปดูในแอป YouTube ได้นะฮะอ่าก็จะเป็นอารมณ์นี้นะส่วนตัวเนี่ยผมมองว่าวันนี้นี่น่าจะเล่นค่อนข้างยากเลยแหละเนื่องจากว่าคือคือผมต้องบอกอย่างนี้ว่าไอตอนแรกเนี่ยนะผมคิดว่าเอ้ยเดี๋ยวมาวันเนี้ยน่าจะ2 ทุ่ม3 ทุ่มเนี่ยเลิกทางเรียบร้อยนะฮะแล้วเดี๋ยวเราก็มาเล่นตามนี้กันแต่ว่าณตรงนี้นะคือในตอนเช้าเนี่ยมันถีบขึ้นไปที่ประมาณไม่ถึง2 ตูนนะขึ้นไปประมาณสัก15แล้วก็ถีบตัวทิ้งตัวลงมาที่ประมาณ75นะ4175แล้วตอนนี้ก็เหมือนกับว่าขึ้นลงอยู่แถว4,200เนี่ยคือจริงๆแล้ววันนี้นะมันไม่ขึ้นไม่ลงมันแบบมันขึ้นลงอยู่แถว4,200เนี่ยตลอดทางเลยซึ่งผมไม่รู้นะว่ามันบิ้วอะไรเดี๋ยวลองมาดูกันหน่อยดีกว่าเดี๋ยวเรามาดูforex factory กันนิดนึงดีกว่าเพราะว่าก็อยากรู้เหมือนกันนะว่าเอ้ยตลาดตอนนี้เนี่ยมันเป็นยังไงคือเพราะว่ามันแบบมันไซด์เวย์จัดมากเลยทุกคนมันไซด์เวย์จัดขนาดที่แบบเอา forex factory มาสิโอเคอ่านี่ unemployment claim ไปแล้วนะฮะตอน2 ทุ่มครึ่งผมนึกว่าเอ้ยมาละเลือกทางแน่นอนเลยสรุปฮะนี่นี่คือแท่งเทียน2 ทุ่มครึ่งนะทุกคนดูนี่ถ้าเกิดใครอยากไปดูสามารถไปดูในอ่าใน YouTube ได้นะฮะแต่ว่าคือนี่เรียบร้อยแล้ว2 ทุ่มครึ่งปึ้งข่าวมาแรงมากดีดลงภายใน1 นาทีนี่ดีดลงมาประมาณ500 จุดนะฮะแล้วก็ที่จริงไม่ใช่500 จุดดิประมาณ800 จุดนะฮะนะ1 นาทีดีดลง800 จุดเลยแล้วทีนี้มันก็ดีดกลับขึ้นไปนะครับคราวนี้มันก็ขึ้นลงสุดท้ายตอนนี้มันดีดขึ้นนะผมมองว่าถ้าเกิดมันเป็นอารมณ์นี้นะมันเหมือนกับตัวเลขดีไม่ได้ทำให้ลงและเผลอๆอาจจะขึ้นด้วยนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยในแท่งเทียนของ3 ทุ่มเนี่ยผมยังจะไม่รีบตัดสินใจนะแต่ผมมองขึ้นเรียบร้อยละและถ้าเกิดว่ามันขึ้นไปเนี่ยผมมองว่าเดี๋ยวเราน่าจะได้ ขนาดให้ดูหน้าอย่างนี้ยัง restrict อีกเหรอ ไม่เข้าใจเหมือนกันให้ดูหน้าขนาดนี้ยัง restrict อีกนี่ผมเลยอันนี้ขนาดไม่ให้ดูกราฟไม่ให้ดูอะไรแล้วนะถ้าเกิดมันเป็นอย่างนี้นะผมบอกเลยนะผมคงจะไม่ได้ไลฟ์ใน TikTok อีกเลยนะฮะเพราะว่าถ้าเกิดว่ามันปิดกั้นขนาดนี้เนี่ยผมคงจะไลฟ์ mainly ในอะไรอะในแอปแดงอย่างเดียวเลยเพราะว่ามันน่าจะเป็นอีกเวฟของการปิดกั้นละนะครับก็ไม่เป็นไรนะเราเข้าใจกันได้ว่าถ้าเกิดว่าแอปต่อมันปิดกั้นเนาะเราก็จะมาเปลี่ยนนะฮะในช่องทางสื่ออื่นๆนะครับแต่ว่ายังไงก็ตามเนี่ยถ้าเกิดว่าใครที่ยังไม่ได้เข้าไปในอ่าเข้าไปในช่องทางการติดต่อกับผมนะฮะก็พี่พิว not approve ด้วยเอาเข้าไปไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวอ่าเดี๋ยวเรามาเทรดกันเลยดีกว่านะครับแล้วเดี๋ยวก็ค่อยว่ากันยังไงผมก็ไลฟ์ในแอปแดงอยู่ Hey Kazuki how you doing ปล่อยวางเดี๋ยวอาจจะต้องสร้างช่องใหม่แล้วก็เอ่อใครที่อยากตามผมก็สามารถเข้ามาติดตามได้นะฮะเดี๋ยวผมบอกช่องทางการติดต่อไว้ so I'm actually looking to be going long today the reason is because we actually hit the low here at 41.76 here according to the ZV the ZV indicator hitting 41.76 and then bounce all the way up to 42.02 right now. So it has been like on the sideway up, but as you can see here, I'm going to take a look here in the 1 minute chart at 8:30. It already has a drop here at 41.95, like from 4200. It doesn't go past it. The news came out green, which means it should spike down. And I actually expect that. However, when the spike happens, it dropped 800 point and spike and then like pull it back up right away, which means that a lot of demands like around here. So right now that the price is actually going up above, I'm waiting for the pullback so that I actually can go long here, especially when during the day today the price cannot break below 41.76, which is the first level on the DZV that it cannot pass. And now that it actually going back up here, I am going to go for a long position right now. So waiting for the price to be pulling back to maybe 4200 or 41.95, and then I'll be going long. So right now, spike happens. I'm actually waiting to for the pullbacks right now. นะฮะเดี๋ยวเราจะมารอเข้าเล่นหน้าบายกันนะฮะเพราะว่าตอนนี้เนี่ยราคาเลือกทางเรียบร้อยแล้วนะผมมองว่าถ้าราคามันพ้น2,0004,205เนี่ยดีดขึ้นไปเนี่ยน่าจะขึ้นไปแรงๆเลยนะครับเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยก็ใครเข้ามารับฟังกดไลค์กดแชร์ด้วยนะฮะ so if you were here first time please click like share subscribe the the uh, the algorithm kind of closed my what do you call it? The algorithm doesn't really show me up at the moment. So if you help with the like button, it will really help with my algorithm. นะครับ เดี๋ยวรอกันดีกว่าตอนนี้นะฮะมา so I'm waiting for the pullbacks. Let's see here. I'm gonna wait. I mean, it's really obvious right now, and we might be finishing today a little early. That it gonna come back here to 41.95. If I can get this win today, I might be finishing today a little earlier. boom, 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 hitting this 41.95, and then I'll be buying it. If we can get this, that will be my one and done for the day. However, let's wait and see how this thing will play out. I mean, it could actually go a heck of a lot higher. If it does, then of course. Weird. Okay, so I'm waiting right now for the price to actually making this move. And we're just gonna wait around. Say hi, everybody. And just say hi to everybody right now. Oh, the restriction is actually off now. Nice. Perfect. So there should be somebody coming in now. Sweet. Perfect. All right. So right now, I'm waiting for the drop to happen right now, and if the price actually pull back to maybe if we do this fib level right here, I mean this is getting fancy, but if we can draw a fib level right here, it actually gonna be 50% at around like 41.97, 38.2 at 41.95. So reasonably, I'm going to go for like either 4200 down to 41.95 for the pullbacks entry. So let's wait. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I really should play some music right now. I really should play some music. Just because. I wonder if I can have some music playing here. I only have like a Disney. I only have like Disney movies that I kind of watch in the meantime. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's see if I have anything here. Boom, boom, boom. Music. All right. Whoops. Never mind. I wonder if I have anything on here. Oh, check this out. Okay, that's loud.
Shadows creep around my bed. Dreams of shattered thoughts unsaid. From the alley comes a cry. Underneath that broken sky.
Did that scare you? Sorry, I should have warned you about this.
Whispers in my ears, screaming voices
If the music is too loud, I gotta lower that down. 1 second. There we go. Oh, jeez. Yeah, appeal not approved. Okay, that's fine. And if you said that, oh, I never heard this music before, yeah, that sounds about right, because this is the music from AI. I told them that I kind of want this kind of song, and it generated for me, and I was just like, yep, this is it. It's really weird how quickly it does things here. Mm. I mean, like, to be honest, at this point, I would actually just watch a movie or play some games or anything, because like I'm waiting for the setup right now. There's no point in me trying to change the trade or making a decision whether we're gonna go down right now, or we will go up, and then I either buy or sell right here. It doesn't really doesn't really make sense. So, you know what? I'm just going to wait. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little tidbits of music, my taste in music. And people will be like, yeah, that's good. Don't ever do that again. Jeez. Uh, I know my taste in music is not that good. But I love it. I love that kind of like anime music. Love those kind of like, you know, upbeat, fight the power kind of music. Just kind of pump up, get me pumped up and ready to take on. Especially during the day where it's like a slow day. There's nothing to trade. It's just pretty much a very, very slow day today. Like right now, I expect that the price to be moving wildly today. Like I expected that, but because it has been, look at this. This is on a daily chart, and it has been consolidating on the end here at the previous. This is on a daily chart, by the way. If you take a look at this is on a daily chart, and it has been consolidating for 1 2 3. This is like the fourth day, and it is Thursday, fourth day of the month, and there's barely any reaction. There's no breaking to go down or up. It basically doesn't do anything. And to be honest, that I think that today should be breaking higher. The break higher right now actually gone from like 4190 up to like 4200. It's barely like 2000 points here. So I actually don't know if I can actually secure at least like 2 to 3,000 points here today. So my hope is that at least I'm gonna get the 500 point scalping, and then I will be follow the trend, buying it up, and continuation while moving my stop loss to break even all the way through. Today we'll have a lot of break even trade, just because I don't really trust the market to move one way or the other today. However, if it does move up and break 4250 today, dude, if it can break 4250 today, it will have been broken so hard that it's gonna reach that 4300 by tomorrow for sure. And that's the reason is because if it does engulfing over 4250 today, it means it is the 3-bar play. Sorry, not 3-bar play. The what do we call it? The 3-man's. I forgot the name of it. It's basically means that one spike up, 3 shot, 3 shot rate down, and then one spike up, which complete the pattern of like 3-man's move. That I kind of forgot the name of it, but yeah, it actually said 3-man's move. So if it does spike up above 4250, I'm playing long all throughout the month for sure, and it can reach all the way up to like possibly 4500, maybe even 5000. So that's just that's just my take on the analysis here. So let's see what's going on here. Now the spikes has to go higher now. It didn't even come back down to 4200, didn't even reach that. It only reached that 4202 and boom, right away. Jesus. I don't know if you got that one though. I kind of expect it to fall down a little bit more than 4202, but from the way it looks right now, we really have to be buying up, and I'm not gonna enter anything before that because there's no point of entry right here. There's barely any point of entry right now. So if you said could I get in a little earlier, I kind of doubt it, because getting in a little earlier would be very risky, and I wouldn't recommend it unless you actually have a really tight stop loss and you said that I'm getting in every red trade. So I mean every red candle, which means you will have a huge a very high a really low win rate, but might be a nice risk reward as well. So ขอบคุณสำหรับการกดไลค์นะครับผม thank you for the like buttons, and let's see what we can do today. Today I think we are going to be buying it up, so waiting for the pullbacks, and then we will be buying right now. So as of the moment that the price actually going up higher and higher, we're just gonna sit back, relax, and wait for the price to actually fall into our category. But right now, I mean it already fall and then it spike up so hard right now. So this scenario not gonna happen. We're gonna wait for another scenario, which is right now. Boom, 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 going up, there, down now. Gonna go up some more, and possibly a spike downturn, and maybe we're gonna get half of this. So possibly. So 1 drive, 2 drive, half up, and then we're gonna get half. maybe right now I don't really know. So I'll wait to see what will happen right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and wait right now. And like I said, 80% of the trade usually means that you're actually sitting on your hand. If you don't know what's gonna happen, you don't know what's going on, don't trade, don't be in the trade just so you have money at risk of either going long or going short. If you don't know if the price will go up or down, if you don't know which way it will go, stop trading. Don't trade. You need to take a break and just sit on your hand, let the market just rise. Somebody will be buying, somebody will be selling, sure, why not? But if you don't know what's gonna happen, never put your money at risk if you don't know what's gonna happen in the market. And that's a really important part right here. If you don't know what's gonna happen in the market, why put your money at risk? Most people put the money at risk when they don't even know what's gonna happen, and usually that's when you already put on a trade, having the bias, thinking you're gonna be right, and then they don't want to miss out on the opportunity that they actually had. But I want you to remind you, if you don't know what's going to happen, are you playing roulette, or are you actually making a wise decision? So that should answer in itself, right? If you don't know what's going on, even if you're in a losing trade, especially if you're in a losing trade, get out. Like you have no reason to be in there if you don't know what's gonna happen. And people will be like, oh, but it lose so much, I cannot get out at a loss. You have to realize this one thing, that whenever you have a position, even if you don't care if you're right or wrong, if you have a position in and you don't know what's going to happen, don't know if it's likely to go up or down, it's really unwise to actually have your money in the market, because then you'll be exposed to the fluctuation of the market. And when you actually don't know, cooperate with the market that gonna swing up and down, making you don't know even more, this is not really healthy for your mind. A lot of people like to take control. In trading, you really need to let go of control, because you cannot control the market. You can analyze it, gauge it, but you cannot control it. So the only thing that you can control, you really have to go back and focus what you could control. The thing you could control is lot size, up or down, and when to take stop loss and target, right? So if you that's the thing you can control. If that is the thing that you can control, you really need to take time and make those decisions clearly. And whenever you actually have a position or losing position and you hold on to hope, you're not actually taking that control. If you are double your position as well, you're not having a lot size in your control. If you actually double down on your losing position, you are not concentrating. Definitely, even if everything's screaming at you to say you gotta buy, you gotta buy, you gotta buy, but then you actually have a sell and then you start selling even more, that's when you don't have the control of the direction you're going as well. The reason why especially for beginners, most new traders, I always said have a stop loss. Always. The reason is not because I want them to lose, but I want them to have a point where you take a position out. When you actually take a position out, your mind is clear because you're not biased and be biased to the position that you're actually in. So if you have a selling position and right now it actually is a losing position, once you get out, your mind is clear and be able to see clearly that, oh, maybe I should wait for the pullback and buying it up. There, now you're making the right decision, because you're actually making the analysis that coincide with how the markets behave. But if you don't, dude, if you don't do that, if you don't have a stop loss or a target, you're not going to be able to get out. The experienced trader might not put stop loss target, but they always do have their mental stop and mental target for sure. So for example, let's say I'm buying right here, and if the prices come up, I knew that once the breakdown happened like this one, once the breakdown happens and it did not have the rejection going up again, matching the previous candle that's been spiking down here, I knew not to hold on to hope and get out and take whatever profit I have. So even though if they don't even take have a target in place, they know when to get out as well. Okay, so let's wait right now to see if the price is about to come down right now, because it seems like there's a spike right now. So let's wait and see if it can come down to that 4,200. Right now, my aim is to coming down to about 4,200, and then I'll be buying it up. By the way, we are trading gold future. If you are trading with me, be sure to click like and follow, and actually you can follow me on YouTube as well. So let's go, let's go. All right, we're going to wait for 4200 level. If it reached 4200 and has rejection in the price, then we will be buying it up. So let's go. Now it's waiting game. It's pretty much a waiting game right now. I mean, I wish I could say, yeah, let's go buy it right now. But I know that if you are a scalper, then possibly, yeah, just enter it right now. Having a stop loss like 100 point, 200 point, that's fine. But I know that a lot of people are not going to be able to do that in time. So I'm not going to say to buy right now. Is gonna wait, just wait. I know it's already like half an hour in, but even if you have to wait until um if you even if you have to wait until the next hour, it is worth it to wait for the actual pullback before you enter the trade for sure. Because back then, if let's say I enter like 4208, I know it already gained like 300 points right now, which is, oh, I really want to get into it. However, oof, I think I should wait for the pullbacks so I can actually enter it safely. Even if the price cannot go up just as high, it's still better than risking it and don't know if it's going to come down or not. Because when the spike happened, we could be entering and get spike out, get taken out by the liquidity sweep in 1 minute. So I don't want that to happen, and I'm just gonna wait patiently for it to drop down to 4200, having a clear rejection, and then I will be buying it. So right now, sit back, relax, and let's wait to see what happens. I was thinking like I should do some more, like maybe 3 panels up here, possibly. But I cannot do the panel over here though because of the light switch. So yeah, today is gonna be like that, one of those days where we're waiting most of the time, waiting for the right setup. But it will come. It will come definitely, but might not be in the hour that we're thinking of. I'm hoping that today we will see a new high, especially high going up as high as the 4230, somewhere around there, 4230, 4250, somewhere. Yeah, like right, that high, yeah. All right, here we go. 4210 cannot pass. It's coming down now. If you want to place a sell order, let's see here. If you want to place a sell order, yeah, you could possibly do it today, right now. Want to make that happen? Place a sell order right now. Limit at 4210. It's gonna be having a stop loss at like maybe like 300 points. Ah, it's too. I mean, I don't really want to. It feels force on this one. Yeah. Let's wait around for it. Let's wait around for it. The pullback gonna come soon. I just don't know when, and I don't want to selling it just so I had an order and secure 500 points. You know. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. Like 42.10 looks really good to sell it down because I actually expect this drop to happen, and especially that's like a sell signal right here. I'm thinking that it will happen. But no. I'm gonna stick to my game here. I'm gonna stick to how I'm playing this. I don't want to switch my game to from a follow trend trading to mean reversal, because if I do that, I'm not gonna have a clear style, and it's gonna be tough for people to follow. Long time no see. You sell or buy? Hey, how are you doing, Tang? I am going to go long. So right now I'm waiting for the point at 4200. My God, I could have sell at 4210, but I just don't want to play a mean reversal trade right now. So we're waiting for 4210 right now, and I want it to touch at least 4210 and having a clear rejection at around that price. Then we will be buying it up, having a SL below the rejection price, and then having a TP at like about 4210, possibly going up even above. And if you can ride it, we could have riding the trend up to that 4250 even. So let's see what's going on. All right, here we go. Looks like it dropped hard. Needs to drop to at least 4201. At least 4201. Once it hit 4201, I'm gonna buy it up. Come on. Okay, get ready. We are gonna go long soon. Let's wait until it actually dropped to that 4200 price. We are about to go long. Don't panic buy yet. We will have plenty of time to enter. Just need it to drop to that 4200. I'm long 4205. My God. Why do you get in so early? Oh man, now I'm actually itching to get in right now. But I want to have a tight stop loss, so I don't want to get in right now and have like a stop loss of about 1000 point. But I know it is saturated already, and it looks like it can go up some more. I just need to have a nice risk reward, so I'm gonna wait until it reach 4200. If it doesn't reach it, we're gonna be missing out, and I'm I'm gonna wait for 4200. I'm still gonna wait. Here we go. It came down now. Right here, 4200. We need to see rejection right here. Right after the rejection, we are going to be buying it up. Oh my God, that's a rejection right there. We might be taking it at 4201, 4202. Here we go. There's a rejection in 1 minute time frame now. Let's go. I am going to be buying it up soon. And come on. Come down to 4200. Come on. Here we go. We might be able to have to get it at this point right here. We might have to buy it right now, 4201. Come on, 4201. I'm not buying it yet. I want to see it come down to my price. Okay, it's not coming down to my price. I'm getting in here, right here at 4202. I'm getting it in at 4202, okay? I'm getting in at 4202. already got in. Stop loss at 42, sorry, 41.97. That's my stop loss, 41.97. Here we go. 41.97 stop loss. Target is going to be 1,000 point above. Here we go. I am going to post it on my channel, and I'm getting in buy right now. I'm going in on a buying position right now. Getting in buy now. All right, here we go. So copy text. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna drop hard right here at 40. No, don't do that. I'm gonna get hit with a stop loss right here if it does not get past this. Oh, come on, really? It hits. Ah, I saw the rejection right here. I really should have waited for the buy signal. Oh well. It happened in like a minute. It happened in like a minute. Jesus. Actually, if this is a rejection, I would buy it again. I just want to see a clear rejection here. 41.90, 4,200. Let's see. Nope, that's no rejection. My God, that's no rejection here. Oh, Jesus. There's no rejection here. I actually thought I get in at a good price at 42.02, and that's gonna be, a continuation, buying it up. However, right now, I don't see it. And if the price in the next 17 minutes, if the price actually have this rejection, we could see the price going lower right now. My God. Okay. I got hit with a stop loss in like 2 minutes. Kazuki, did you actually get in? I got in, and then I just like, I can't believe I got stopped out in like 2 minutes. Oh God, that was horrible. Uh, right now, I think we should wait because oh, come on, really? That's the rejection. Okay, now there's the long position. The long signal is coming in. I'm gonna wait for the finish of this 1 minute candle. I'm gonna wait for the finish of this 1 minute candle, and I'm gonna go long again. Like that's the rejection in price that I want to see here. That it come down, breaking the 4,200, touching it, and then having this spike up. However, right now it's a little too much, and I am about to get in right now. 4,200. Oh, come on, going up already. I'm gonna wait for the finish of this candle. So let's see here. 10 more seconds. I'm getting in at right 3, 2, 1, possibly at 4,200 right here. Okay. Okay, I'm getting in at 42.01. Buying it up again. Stop loss gonna be again 500 points. And you can choose. Oh, come on, don't tell me we're gonna hit 2 stop loss in a like 1 minute stop loss in this live session. That's gonna be a record here. Come on, really? This is no joke. I actually playing according to the game here that I actually plan out. And if the game that I actually plan out got stop loss this hard, I think we should actually move the stop loss to like at least 1,000 points. Or better yet, wait for it to retest the low before actually entering. Oh my god, right now it's insane how the price is not going up at all right now. After the rejection in right here, after the rejection right here, the price doesn't seem to want to go up at all. My god. I feel like I want to take back my trade right now. Gonna hit like 2 losing streak, and that's not funny. Because like I actually expect it to go long right here. But if it cannot break above 4,200, it definitely is going down. If it cannot break above 4,200 right now, it definitely is going down. I don't think that we are going to be Yep. So I am already in the position right now. I'm in the position. I already in the buying position. But make sure that you are playing. Like I'm still biased toward going long. The swing gets sweep out, sure. Let me just 1 second. Like, I mean, I can sweep out, sure, but I'm not going to let that stop me from doing what I I'm just thinking. 1 second, let me just post it up here first for 1 second. Buy again. All right. Third time the charm. Gonna say buying right now 4,200. SL 41.95. TP is going to be 42.05. And second TP is going to be 42.10. And let's see how it goes. Actually, with the way it's swinging right now, I'm thinking that it might go up to 42.10 pretty easily. So I'm going to have at least 1 to 2 and then trailing after that. Because I'm still believe that the price could go higher than 42.15 today. That's my belief. After all rejection to the downside, I think that we should be headed higher today. So let's see. And if it hit 2SL today, then that's fine. Then that's fine. I'll wait right now to see if the price will go up. Right now, we're gonna be waiting for the price to go up or not. My God, I'm actually redo that again. I'm buying it again. I'm buying it again at around 4201. Actually 4200 if you get in right now. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. And that's the thing about trading is that you never really know what's gonna happen. Sometimes you get liquidity sweep. Sometimes you getting stop out in like 1 minute, and it will really shook you, make you lose hope in your own system, and that's normal. You're afraid to put on another trade because you actually still have that 1 minute SL back in your mind. It still shock you, and I completely understand that. And you don't need to follow me in the next trade. However, you need to notice that if that were ever to happen, the next trade is your system that could make you profits. So, I want to give an example of flipping a coin. From flipping a coin, if it has or tail, whether it has or tail, that it has an effect on the next flip. That's the thing about like statistic. When it's head, likely it's gonna come up tail in the next one. The more likely it continue to be a head, then it's likely to be continue a tail on the next one. But the point of a head or a tail, the result of it in the first one does not have any correlation to the second one. It's just that every time you flip it, if you do it over 100 or 1,000 times, usually it will come up to almost like 50-50. But that doesn't mean that if you have flipped it head 10 times, that 10 times going to be affecting the outcome of the next toss. The next toss is still going to be 50-50 on the head or tail. So that's gone a little too deep for a lot of traders, a lot of new traders out there. But I just want to clarify. Oh, sorry, I'm actually in the buying position right now at 4,200. Sorry. Yep, I posted it in there already. I have a stop loss at 41.95. Same thing. Right now it's in profit. We're gonna go trailing stop on this one. So if the price going up, our first target is gonna be at 42.10. Let's go. Here we go, 41.05. $41.05 right now. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. All right, perfect. Oof. Sweet. First TP SL and break even. Here we go. Did you actually get that one, Kazuki? Buying it up again. Buying it up again. Oof. So the direction is correct, but you get sweep out right here before because of this rejection is not the real one. The real rejection is when there's a spike up right here, and that's when the real rejection in price happen. So right now we are taking, you know, about 600 700 points up right now. Let's see if buy it. Oh, nice. Really? You buy it at 41.95? Nice. I love the confidence. I love the confidence. So be sure it's 1,000 point already. Need to lock in some profit right now if you buy it at 41.95. Like I said, today will be swinging very widely. So taking profit, lock in your stop loss. Like I said at the beginning, today will be very wild. Stop loss whenever you can. I would say that it could go really high right now. And if it can go up, breaking up above 42.12, 42.15, it could go up to 42.30. If it break above 42.30, it's going to go all the way up to like 42.50. So that's the key level right there. Yeah, right now that is actually coming down right now. I'm actually putting my stop loss at break even right now. I'm not gonna risk it today. Not today is not the day that I like to risk very much. So I'm gonna put a stop loss at break even because I don't want to see that my right decision get taken out and hitting my stop loss. So if I get hit out with a break even, then that's fine. I don't want to risk anymore. That's why I said once it's at 42.05, taking your profit first, locking your profit. It never hurts to secure your capitals, okay? Because you already made the right decision. All right. Woo. It like so close to hitting my stop loss right now because my stop loss is at break even right now. It was so close to hit my break even point. Oh my god. Oh no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Don't. Ah. It was like this close. It was this close to hitting my stop loss. This close. Like I think it's only like about 5 points right now. Oh, never mind. Hitting my stop loss. I mean hitting my break even point. And there's one thing. If you got like an earlier play, you can just today is not my day. I have to tell you, today is not my day on this trading. Break even. Done. Okay, I have 2 trades in, 1 break even, 1 losing trade within like 2 minutes. So I am going to wait to see if there's going to be rejection here at around like 4200. If there is a rejection and that's another long signal, I might be buying it again because I'm still biased that it's going to go up. However, right now, if it continues to do this, it means that right now it leaves such a long topping tail here, like really long, and it's gonna finish in like about 9 seconds here. If in 9 seconds that the price cannot match the previous high, I think that the next candle is gonna be shooting lower. So let's see right here, if the price cannot go up above 42.10, I am going to be shorting it down right now. I'm going to be playing a short selling position. If the price cannot go up above 42.10 within the next 15 minutes, I'm going to allow at least 15 minutes for it to play out. And then I will be making a decision whether to play short or to actually go long, follow up some more. So, yeah, if it does go up to 42.05, Kazuki, I suggest that you do take your profit if you haven't taken some already. If you haven't took some already, I suggest that you do, and maybe leave a few position open and maybe a stop loss at break even. That's fine, because like it could go all the way up, but right now because it on the 1 hour time frame, it leaving me such a long topping tail. I will be shorting it in this hourly candle, because one green candle, two green candle, this second green, I actually thought it's gonna break above. It's not even close high enough that I want to see the continuation happening. So I think we're gonna see a spike up to creating a tail. Maybe if it doesn't go back up above 42.10, it's gonna spike down, and then that's when I'm gonna be playing short as a reverse trade in this new hour. So I am going to go to 5-minute time frame and going to be playing gold swing trading to actually looking for an entry. Yep, possibly at that around like 42.08, 42.05, or somewhere around there. So I am going to be look for short selling. I mean, that is perfect though, like 42.12 around here. Yeah, that would have been perfect. But we don't know that what's gonna happen. So I am going to wait for. Oh, come on, really? It spiked out already? Jesus Christ! Come on! The moment I said that it will come down, it spiked down right away. Nope. I'm not gonna follow it. I am going to wait for it to spike it back up, seeing that it cannot go up above 4200. Then I will be short selling it down. Come on. Go up a little bit more, so I can actually have a nice chart here. Go up a little bit more so I can have a nice chart right now. For those of you who don't know what's going on, you can actually go on to the the little play button, the little play app, and then search me up, Pro Win Trader. I am on every channel. Okay. So let's see here. I am not going to be short selling right now. I'm gonna wait it out. 4200 should be spiking back up above and should come up at least to that 42.08, 42.10 before I am really gonna be short selling right now. But right now I'm biased that it's gonna go down just because of the how the day is today. It's very sideways, it's very consolidating. So I am going to wait for the price to go up to that 42.10, then it will be coming down. So let's wait. I'm not gonna sell now. But for those of you who actually buy it up with me, if the price actually go up to 42.05, or even if it's positive a little bit, make sure to close the position. Okay, it's gonna go up. I think it will go up a little bit, so use that opportunity to close your position. Okay, don't hold on to hope thinking that you want to go back up. Oh my god, like that's what I expect to happen. My god. Okay, the price is moving way too quick. I actually expect it to actually go up first before it come down. Kazuki, are you holding your position or did you close already? Are you still hold your position, or are you closing already? Right now, I'm suggest if you still hold your position, I suggest you close right now, because the market has shifted. The market just shift from like being bullish to being bearish right now. Like market literally just shift in that one candle. Let me show you what I mean. So right here, when the price is trying to go up, because like right here, I thought that yeah, it spiked up so high already, so it will come down hard, but at the same time it will at least go up to the previous high, and it just stopped there at the track. So right now that it's spiked down at almost like 1,000 point, I am going to be shorting a little earlier. So if it going back up to 200, I'm going to be shorting right now. I'm going to be shorting at 42, around 4200. Oh, what the heck? Why is that? No, 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 no. That's like a buy signal on like 1 minute chart. We're not playing 1 minute, okay? That's too many signal on a 1 minute chart if you're playing a gold swing strategy. All right. Wait for it to going back up to 4200, and then we'll be shorting it, short selling it down. Oh, this is very hard market. I mean, for a trend follower, this is a very hard market for me to trade. For those of you who playing reversal, mean reversal play, this will be a very easy market to trade, because every time it actually go up, all you need is for it to break above the high, and you don't need to wait very long. You will see a rejection price, and then you'll be selling it down. And right now, I don't have it. I don't have the I don't have the position to sell right now. So let's see if the price can go up to 4200. I will be placing my sell limit there at 4200. Yep. อุ้ยขอบคุณค่ะเป็นไงบ้างช่วงนี้พี่ยังไม่ได้ไปออกรอบเลยเนี่ย ตั้งแต่ไปออกรอบวันครั้งนั้นนะยังไม่ได้ไปตีกอล์ฟเลยอยากไปอยู่เหมือนกัน So I'm actually going to be putting my sell limit here at 4200. Hopefully it will pull back so that we can have a nice entry. But from the looks of things, if the price just keep on continuing down from this one, and it could very high possibility that it could happen, we are going to be missing out again. But here's the thing, why I think the rejection is not going to be too fast here. It's because we still have this trend line that kind of supported it, and it would take a few times to actually breaking it. So if it come up to that 4200, then we can actually run the price down to 4190, which secure us at first 1000 point, and then we can hold on to the possibility of it breaking 4190, and would have a nice risk reward for sure. All right, here we go, 4200. Come on, 4200. Let's see. I'm gonna be short selling here. I'm gonna be short selling soon here. And come on. Okay. It's almost triggered right now. I'm gonna get right here, 4200. I'm getting it right here, 4200. I'm getting it right here at 4200. This is gonna be my third trade today. If this trade hit a stop loss, oops, deleted message. 4190. If this one hit a stop loss, I'll be done for the day. Stop loss right now is going to be 42.05. Short selling 42. Oh, come on. Like my belief here is that it's not gonna, if it's not going up, then it's going down. If it's not going down, it's gonna go up. But if it's sideways between 4200, which basically is the psychological level, I'm done. I'm done for the day. Like it dropped down that hard, it should not spike up anymore. If it dropped down that hard, it should not spike up anymore. That's my belief on the trend following strategy. However, right now, if it go up and break above 4200, I am done for the day. I am done for the day. If I'm selling position right now, if it's not going down from here, because it's already going down to that 4192, if it like pulling back up and it did not go down at this moment, I am actually done for the day, because today would be a very hard day for me to trade following the trend. I did not expect it to break one way or the other, and it could be sideways like this throughout the day here. So I don't expect this candle to be green. That's why I don't expect. I expected that it came down this much already. It should be a red candle. So the pullbacks, this is only just a pullback, and then it will come down continuation to being a red candle here. That's my belief. But today might not be the day that I am winning. I have to accept that, but I will keep on playing my game, because I know I have the highest possibility of winning when I'm actually playing my game. I try to switch to like mean reversal trade here and there, but at the same time I don't know the good entry, the logic of entry, and it is not I don't have a high win rate on that strategy as well. So I will place a sell order right now at 4200. If you get in right now, you will get a better price than me. Placing a sell order right now, expecting this hourly candle to drop to 41.90 at the very least. So let's see if it can drop to that 41.90 at the very least. If it can, oh come on. The reason why I said, oh, come on, is because like when the price actually finishes like this, it is likely to actually hit it higher. Because it's actually finishing above right now. Finishing above the 4200 for the next 3-4 minutes candle already. So if it actually finish right now in the next 4 minutes, my God, don't tell me. Don't tell me that it's gonna go up. Jesus. If it go up right now, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be done early. I tell a lot of people that I'm gonna be done early, but I didn't expect it to be this early, that I choose whichever way it goes, it just go against me all the way through. Yeah. We're gonna hit a stop loss. We're gonna hit a stop loss on this one. Like I'm pretty 70% sure that we're gonna hit a stop loss on this one. The reason is because it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, and the 5th minute here doesn't look like I am getting a nice rejection in price at that 4200 level. It looks to me to be standing hovering around 4200 even. So I don't have a very high hope on this trade. If you had a position right now, you could get out if you wanted to. I don't have a very high hope on this one. Reduce your risk, reduce your position. Man, today is not my day. Yeah, but at least I hope I show you something that I'm risking 2% still, that The first one being, a quick loss, that's fine. The second one, I am quitting at break even, but I actually have to adapt to the market that it wants to turn around. The third one, which is right now, that I choose to adapt to the market and choose that it will turn around now. However, if it doesn't turn around, if it, let's say, it spike up, spike down, I mean, this week right here, 1 week, 2 week, that is very rare occurrence that it will happen. But when it happens, that's when get taken out, because I am a trend following kind of guy. So if the price did not follow the trend that I expected in this form to be happening, then it's just the way it is. That, like I said, the market can do anything, and you really have to accept that if you want to stay in this market long term. So yeah, I'm gonna hit my stop loss here in about 100 points. I'm gonna hit my stop loss, and I'm gonna be done for the day. Come on, let's go. Just hit my stop loss. It's fine. Just hit my stop loss. Let's go. Let's go for it. I don't mind. I don't mind. If you're gonna do this whole spike, basically sweep me out on the bottom, on top, and the bottom again, I was just like, sure, you do you. I'm not gonna risk anymore. I have my max risk at 2%, and I'm done for the day. So I already hit 2% yesterday. I'm hitting another 2% today. I'm fine. It will be, we're gonna see each other again next week on Monday, see how it goes. But today is a very hard day to trade for me. It's not gonna be a hard day to trade if you are mean reversal trader, because take a look at this. This is how I trade on the look, I get swept out, didn't get all the way high, get swept out again, thought that it would reverse right here. Nope, it continuation to be on the long side. So if you are playing in let's take a look on the 5-minute reversal play here. If the price is getting rejection right here, you could actually get in on the mean reversal trade. Price rejection right here, you get in mean reversal trade right here. Price rejection, get in mean reversal, that's sell signal, get in right here. Yep. So mean reversal today would be a very nice play today. Very nice play. Just not for me. Just not for me today. How's everybody doing, by the way, today? I actually got swept out. Like 1, 2, 3. Yep, I got swept out like 3 times, so I'm done for the day. It basically just sideways between 4,200 for like about 2,000 points, plus minus 1,000 points. So I'm not gonna be able to play that. I'm definitely not gonna be able to play that. I know that firsthand. So oh, I'm gonna take a record on that. Me too. Me too, as in you get a SL as well, or and in the end you're gonna have to develop your own style. My style is the trend following trade, and if I'm guessing the trend did not continue, especially in the hourly time frame, I would have to accept that I got swept out. Like it just spikes, and that's just the way it goes. I mean, right now I don't know where it will go right now. Like I have no idea. It could go higher, it could go lower. SL, yeah, like today I thought that in this next hour, like we can stay together for another 40 minutes, but I expect that this hour will be going through like maybe 2,000 points, 3,000, 4,000 points, one way or the other. That's the key here, one way or the other. And the reason it just spike up, spike down, and basically sideways between this tunnel line, telling me that I should not be playing today because it's not going to choose direction. It is really unlikely going to choose direction before midnight today. So wait, is there FOMC today? I doubt it. No. FOMC is no. So that's nothing. That's nothing at all. It's just gonna have the employment change, and the core PCE tomorrow at 10. So no major news until 10 p.m. tomorrow. And man, today was not a good day. Today was not a good day. Yeah. What else should I say here? If you want to continue playing, make sure if you gonna play a mean reversal trade, the upper bound gonna be at 42.15. The lower bound gonna be down all the way to 41.75. So we have the upper bound and lower bound right now. If you want to play a mean reversal, you should be biased towards selling. However, if you're gonna be biased towards selling, make sure you have a stop loss, maybe about 42.20, because it's really unlikely that if it passed 42.20 that it will reverse it back down. So right now, sorry to hear you hitting SL Kazuki. I am pretty much done for the day. Yeah, I kind of wish I secure my 500 points right here, but I thought that with the spike that it had in like 2-3 minutes, it could go at least up to 1,000 points. Then I would say right there we are going to secure the profit at 1,000 points. But all I can do is having a stop loss at break even, and then boom, right there. So there we go. That's my live trade for the day. In conclusion, I have no idea what's gonna happen today anymore. After in about like between 9 o'clock to currently, it still doesn't choose direction. Basically 2 hours of the major volume time doesn't choose direction. That telling me that if there is going to be a direction that has been chosen, it's going to be either manipulation or something major actually going on. And if you want to play a mean reversal trade, again, make sure that if the price going up above 42.20, you have a stop loss in place, because it is very likely that it won't coming down anymore. Okay, so there we go. I hope you have some fun in this live trade session. And if you want to continue to follow me, you can actually follow me on any channel. Just remember the hashtag. You can actually, one second, let me write that down for you. It is, boom, 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 where is it? How do I write on here? Oh, there it is. Comment and write it down. Oops. Okay. There we go. Comment. Hashtag. In case that this channel actually get banned or anything like that, you can actually search hashtag #ProWinTrader on any channel, on any platform, and be sure to follow me. I will be live trading every day, Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on New York time, or 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. on Thailand time. Okay, so if you like, please click like, subscribe, and be sure to follow my live trade every day from Monday to Thursday, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. on Thailand time, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on New York time. Okay, All right, perfect. And I'll be seeing y'all later. Today, I know I didn't hit 11, but I don't feel like staring at the screen anymore. The reason is because the more I'm staring at the screen right now, the more I feel like maybe I could get in right here at the buying position, and then I know I'm gonna hit a stop loss. So it is not wise to try to entry after like three trade doesn't go your way. If three trade is not really going your way, you might as well quit while you're ahead. I know that is like yesterday I had like two trade, and then the third trade might be a winning one. Trust me, the only reason why it is a winning is because I'm choosing not to trade anymore. I know that that's a little counterintuitive, but the thing is, if the if I am to be trading, I would be very biased that oh, it would be doing this, it would be doing that without a clear thought of uh, how I would actually trade. So with me taking myself out, I can clearly identify the trade setup. I can clearly identify the opportunities that lay out before me. So right now I am going to be done with the trade today. I'm gonna say that sorry everybody, another SL day. That is to be expected when you are playing in the market that is not coincide with your strategy. Okay. All right. So we'll be done for today. And thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you all again next week on Monday. Have a very nice and profitable weekend. See you guys. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ สวัสดีครับพี่ดา นะฮะมานี่ก็ผมกำลังจะอันนี้เลย คือวันนี้นี่ฮิต SL เป็นว่าเล่นเลย อยากบอกว่า SL ที่โหดร้ายกับผมที่สุดเลยนะ คือ SL ภายใน2นาที อันนี้คือแบบโหดร้ายจริงนะโพสต์ไปแล้วด้วยบอกว่าโอเคเดี๋ยวเราเข้าออเดอร์เลยปุ๊บโพสต์ไปเท่านั้นแหละวิเดียวนะทิ้งตัวลงมาแล้วก็แบบว่านั่งเลยคือแบบSL ภายใน2 นาทีโอเคไม่เป็นไรเรายังสู้ต่ออ่าอันอันหนึ่งเกือบที่มันเกือบที่จะได้นะเรามันดีดขึ้นไปประมาณ700 จุดแล้วแล้วก็แบบโอเคตัวนี้แหละได้แล้วเรามาถูกทางแล้วดีดหัวกลับลงมาโอเคไม่เลือกทางไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวไม่ต้องเลือกทางแน่นอนในแท่งเทรดต่อไปสรุปแล้วโดนอีกรอบหนึ่งคราวนี้ผมยอมเลยนะโดน3 รอบปุ๊บนี่คือผมยอมแล้ววันนี้นะฮะคือมันไม่เลือกทางจริงๆแหละถ้าเกิดมันไม่เลือกทางอย่างนี้ก็เชิญนะฮะใครอยากเล่นต่อเล่นเลยผมเล่นไม่ได้จริงนะฮะถ้าเกิดมันไม่เลือกทางขนาดนี้เนี่ยโอ้โหมันจะ SL อะไรกับผมบ่อยขนาดนี้เกินไปมากนะฮะก็ไม่เป็นไรปล่อยวางนะฮะเดี๋ยวเรามาเดี๋ยวเรามาโอเคมีคนทักมาหลังไหมไม่เป็นไรนะฮะเดี๋ยววันนี้ก็จบประมาณนี้ก่อนละกันแล้วเดี๋ยวไปเจอกันใหม่ในวันจันทร์นะครับผมมาไลฟ์ทุกวันจันทร์ถึงพฤหัสในช่วง3 ทุ่มถึง5 ทุ่มตรงนะฮะคือจะบอกว่าผมจะบอกว่าเริ่มจาก3 ทุ่มแล้วกันเพราะว่าส่วนใหญ่แล้วเนี่ยถ้าเกิดมันเป็นวันอย่างนี้ถ้าเกิดว่าผมฮิตทีพีก่อนหรืออะไรก็จะจบไลฟ์ประมาณสักประมาณนี้แหละนะฮะประมาณสักไม่เกิน3 ทุ่มเนี่ยเอาจริงเมื่อกี้นี้อยากเล่นปลายมากเลยตรงเนี้ยน่าจะได้อยู่นะ แต่คือมันเป็นอารมณ์ที่แบบว่าเอ้ยเราอยากเอาคืนแล้วไงผมเป็นอารมณ์นั้นอะผมต้องแบบพยายามหยุดตัวเองให้เร็วที่สุดเพราะว่าถ้าเกิดว่าเราพยายามเอาคืนแล้วเนี่ยแล้วเราไปเล่นพายที่ประมาณสัก4,202แล้วเราโดน SL อีกเนี่ยเฮ้ยมันจะแบบเดี๋ยว SL เดี๋ยว SL เดี๋ยว SL ไม่เลิกทางทุกทีอันเนี้ยมันจะเป็นอะไรที่เป็นทำให้ผมอะไม่สามารถเทรดต่อได้วันนี้ผมก็ hit max loss 2เทรดนะครับคิดไปประมาณ200เหรียญนะเนี่ยก็ฮิต SL ไปประมาณ200เหรียญแต่ว่ายังไงเรายังมีเงินเหลือให้เทรดอีกเยอะฮะเรายังมีเงินเหลือให้เทรดอีกเยอะฮะเพราะฉะนั้นนั่นแค่2%แค่นั้นเองเดี๋ยวเรามาเทรดวันใหม่แล้วมาดูกันว่าเราจะได้เงินเท่าไหร่นะครับวันนี้ก็ขอลาไปก่อนแล้วเดี๋ยวไว้เจอกันสวัสดีครับบ๊ายบายครับโอเค I am done for the day I my God like is it really gonna do this to me look at this spike like up down down up down down up down down up down down left right AB select uh but here's the thing like when the price rejection this hard it usually followed by a sell position right here and now that it go back up I don't know I don't know what to do now so taking a break I'm done for the day have fun you guys bye okay yeah it looks like it's climbing up right now it looks like it's climbing up right now I'm not playing I'm not gonna play I'm not gonna play I'm going to I'm going to not play. This is really hard for me to try to take myself out. The hardest thing is to take yourself out because like you know that there's a possibility there's always a possibility that you'll be winning. Like trust me, there's always that possibility that you'll be winning. But the more you get into it on the day that is not really your day, you will be losing money more than anything. So I am going to shut myself off and not play. Hopefully. Okay, guys. Have a good one. I will be signing off. I think the price is just gonna keep going up now. Now that I'm actually out of the game, I think the price is just gonna keep going up now. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine, 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 fine. No, it's not fine. Dang it. It's not fine. Why am I staring at the screen right now? Like, why am I staring at the screen? I'm just torturing myself, seeing what it could have been. Oh no, I wouldn't get in that either. Like don't tell me I'm gonna get in at 42.02 or 0.03 right here. Even still, there's no volume. There's no peak volume here. So yep, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna leave the thing. Gonna go relax, take a nap, maybe grab some food. I'm done. I'm done. Really have to really take myself out right now. Because if I'm not, I'm gonna be having this FOMO, gonna be buying not according to the plan. All the works, all the works. All right, guys, have a good one. See you guys next week. Bye bye. Ooh, ooh, ooh.